Good day, everybody. My name is Bright. There is this series of issues I have noticed. Many people are complaining sometimes when they open their VS Code, they suddenly see a pop-up VS Code end up freezing saying the window is not responding. Mine always happen anytime when I open my terminal, which it wasn't happening before, but suddenly it starts happening. So when I open up my terminal, I notice suddenly my VS Code freezes. I try my best to do a lot of research online to find out why, because it wasn't happening before. Suddenly I just saw it. As you can see, the window is not responding. Um, you can reopen or close the window or keep waiting. If I also click on reopen, then you'll notice that everything now is like it's okay. But when I also open up my terminal, you you will notice, hey, it's like the same thing is happening again. So in this case, I try to do research, then I found a little bit solution. If you're also facing this issue, um, believe me, we are going to do this together, and I promise you, you will end up enjoying it. Okay? Okay. What we are going to do, let me first close this application. Okay? Let me close the application. I'm going to open my VS Code here. Now, over here, we are going to press, um, you hold on your control key, then plus P, or control and shift plus P. Okay, then we are going to type preference. You type preference, which is this. Please, the link to this PDF will be on my description below. You can get it on my website. So shift control P on window, then you type preference. If you type preference, now you are going to open the settings queue, the settings.json. Okay, now let us open settings.json. Inside the settings.json, just type control then plus dot. The also key will also be posted on the description below. Now if you open up, then you copy this, click on enter, then you enter it. As you can see, terminal integrated GPU acceleration, terminal integrated GPU acceleration. Then you turn it off. Okay, turn it off, then close it, then close your whole system. Let me open up my project again. I'm opening my project. In my project, let me open up my project. I'm building my website. I named it portfolio. Inside here, then I'm going to open it up from here. Let us see if the same thing will happen again when I open my terminal. Okay, now opening my terminal, let's see if it will happen again. As you can see, I can now scroll. It's no more freezing and it's no more happening. My terminal has opened. npm run div. This is my Next.js application. Okay, before it opens up, it has opened up I also want to show you something. In case you tried the first one, it didn't work out, you can proceed to the second one, okay? Then, and listen, you actually just go through this thing one by one. You will definitely find what will work for you. The link to this particular PDF will be posted on my description. You can navigate to my website and go through it, or you navigate to my website and download it. Okay, thank you very much and remain blessed. I'm your one and only Bryce Webb. Thank you.